In this video, I'm going to be using some of the pegboard hooks that I got from Amazon. The things I want to use is I got these two hooks right here, put screwdrivers on. And I got this screwdriver kit, this DeWALT screwdriver kit. This is a 10-piece screwdriver set. It's got, it's color coded, magnetic tips, and Chrome Vanadium Steel. So you can see, it looks like it's got blue here for the Phillips head, and then it's got red here for the standard head. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and we'll see if they fit up here on the pegboard hooks that I got from Amazon. Okay, so here's a closer look at it. It's got the red here, which says it's standard. These got a little bit of a grip to them, and then they got this tip on here. They said that tip is Chrome Vanadium Steel. So that looks pretty nice. Maybe it'll make it a little durable. I haven't had a problem with the Flatheads, but with the Phillips heads, a lot of times they become dull. They start to get wore out. I'll see if I can show you a pair here. So if you can see that in there, these start to become dull in there. There's a little bit of an indent and they don't grip as good. Here's another old pair, and you can see they got a little bit of a dullness in there. This feels chipped and jagged. I can run my fingernail on there and it gets caught. So this is supposed to reduce that from happening. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's see how we want to do these. I don't know if I want to put all the standards up there or if I want to put them down here. Let's see how long they are. What's our longest ones we got here? So it looks like this is our longest one, and maybe this is these are our longest two right here. So one thing that's interesting about the set is it doesn't have equal lengths. So this Phillips head is the longest one, and this straight head is the shortest, is shorter. The longest one is a thinner one, so it doesn't have the same thickness. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight heads, which this is nice because a lot of times you get these little straight heads that you got to unscrew here. Same thing with a little Phillips head. So it's got a wide range of sizes, so that's pretty good. All right, so lengthwise, so I guess we could go ahead and do that. Let's try. This is the longest one here. Yeah, we could work something out like that. Put all of our Phillips up there. Oh, that one won't fit. Well, that's not gonna fit. Wonder if it'll fit down here. Look, this one doesn't really fit. I guess it does fit like that. So we'll put that one down there. You know, we could do that, just put the short ones down here. Maybe that's a better way to go. So that looks pretty good. So here's all the sizes you get. For the straight head, you get 1/8, 1/4, 1/4, 3/16, and 3/16. And then for the Phillips head, you get a faux, a PH1, a PH2, a PH2, and a PH2. So pretty nice. We'll have to do a test with them and see how they work. It's not getting anything in there. Did I read that right? Did it say magnetic tip? magnetic tips. That doesn't seem very magnetic. We'll see if there's any difference here. Are these more magnetic? So that's magnetic. That's magnetic. And that's magnetic. So was it just this one that wasn't? Yeah, so this one's not magnetic, this little one. And that's magnetic. So everything seems magnetic except for this blue one. This blue one didn't get the magnetic charge to it. It doesn't seem to do anything. So the magnetic is mostly magnetic. How strong is it? I mean, we can pick up a screw. See, if we put the screw on here like this, it will come loose, but you can pick up a screw with it. So it's mostly magnetic. It does pick stuff up, but not all of them. We had one dud in the bunch. This one right here didn't seem to be magnetic. But yeah, all in all, pretty nice set. Got them up there on the pegboard. They look pretty good. Getting out the pressure washer, so we'll need to take this nib off here, so we'll see how this flathead does.
Flathead screwdrivers always end up being misused to pry things loose. I have broken a few like this before. So yeah, I'm really going to test them out. I will have some Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to check these things out for yourself. I will make a full pros and cons video after using these screwdrivers for a few weeks.
Alright, we got that off. An old rag there, give it a good rub down.